Hey Bradley, is your consulting service on Semantic Links only for assistance with the DHA model, or is it for Q&A? You can consulting. We can use it any which way you want. It's your time. You're paying for it. So if it's just you're buying time from me. You can ask me anything that you want on a consulting session. It's not about DHA anyways. Semantic Links is typically consulting through that is for questions about link building or SEO consulting, SEO consulting for client work for my agency clients. They ask me to help them. That's typically what that's for, but I don't care. You can come buy consulting time from me at Semantic Links and ask me anything you want, dude. It's your money. You're paying for my time and my honesty during that time. So, let's keep it professional. But other than that, yeah, you can ask me anything you want on those calls. It's entirely up to you how we use that time.